Bharti has joined us and wants to know whether HCC is good for a fresh entry or not. We are seeing a progressive increase in volumes against trend in the price, which means that the uptrend is strong. And here I'm actually going to draw two different trend lines because I can clearly see two trends. Initially, the stock was in a downtrend and then it turned and it is given a breakout around the level of 25. Here in the new trajectory, the stock is close to its resistance trend lines. I expect the correction because CC is not a super trend, it's a momentum mover. So it goes up, but then it also gives a correction. On the daily time frame, I'm seeing a range shift and negative divergence. I can't confirm the range shift, but there's definitely a negative divergence. In the previous leg of correction, the support around 46, which HCC was respecting, has been breached. I think this rally is an opportunity for an exit. Because of the budget announcements, some expectations have arisen from the realty sector. Typically, when massive expectations arise, the stock tends to go in the other direction. This is the support level that I would look out for, 33, which is around 30-35% lower from the current market price. So I won't suggest you to make a fresh entry at this stage in this stock.